Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Valorant on your PC. So I will show you the two methods, and the easiest method is the Epic Games, but let's just get to the normal one. Now this is a web browser, right? So when I just go here, go to Google and look for download Valorant, right? And once you're here, click on here, download the game, and you can just download it. Now as you see, the setup will get downloaded, but this is not the easiest method, right? Because you have to install the setup and everything, but I will advise you just go with the Epic Games because it's much more easier. In the store, in the search bar here, you have to look for Valorant, right? Because as you know, all the games is available on the Steam or Epic Games, and Valorant is only is available on Epic. Now here, as you can see, the game is here. Click on it and the game will be open up here. Click on add to library. Mine is already added, right? So I will just go to my library here, and here you can see I was installing the game, but I thought I will show you guys. Now here in your case it will show install, so you have to just go and click on it. And once you click on it, here in the bottom left side corner there will be a download section and it will start downloading, right? And here, once the download complete, this is a setup, and after that there will be a 30 GB of file which will get directly installed in a laptop or PC. And if you want to play this game, you can directly play it from here, just like you can see here. This is another game, right? You can double click and play on it, or here you can just go open your Epic Games, go to library, and you can play it from here too. So this is how you can get Valorant for free on your PC. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.